Welcome back to Module 2, Passion to Profit, and focus in the customers sections. And in this module, the next topic that I want to share with you is how well do you know your competitors? Why do we need to know our competitors? Well, it's not about knowing your competitors in order to copycat their work. Knowing your competitors so that you can be different, and also how can you be ahead of your competitors within your industry or going through having a breakthrough in your industry. So that's what gonna make us different. So it's not about spying on them, or it's really about know what is our limitation, what is our strength and our weakness, and also learn from our competitor what their struggle, what's their challenge. And to me, it's really there's no in the industry within like CPA or bookkeeping or consulting, imagine how many people are there actually are needing the services. There are millions of people are needing the service, but are there also millions of people that serving these companies? There's always a shortage of that. So in here, I like you to go over and create a detail of learning who are your competitors. Know your competitors so that you can learn. You know what you need to stay in your lane, what are your strengths, and so you can advance and dominate in your industry. So one step ahead of your competitors. So my question is, who are your competitors? And this can be a very, very loaded question with many people because you may not even know exactly who your competitors. So some of you may know very well, some may not know, some may be like maybe. Um, and well, whoever that you think or that knowing that is potential competitors, I would like you to make the list as long as possible. What do you like about your competitors? What do you dislike about your competitors? Are you the go-to person in your industry? Where do you position yourself? Which competitor are you aspire to be? What mistake, weaknesses do you see from your competitors? These are the technical questions. And what lesson success can you learn from your competitors? Where can you find this information? You can find this information from magazines. When you are reading a newspaper and you see that they mention so and so within your industry, and how well are they doing within their industry. The next question is, what are their strengths and technical in their field? Turn their strength into your strength. Will you be head on or provide service that complement to your competitor's strength? So I'm asking this question because it's happened to me all the time. So even though I'm a CPA, I'm still providing subcontract services to other CPA firm because my skills are so unique. It's more about auditing and a larger scales. Therefore, I can subcontract out my skill, talent, and service for the other CPA firm who are more stronger in other areas of their field, but they're not made as strong as auditing. So in that case, it's not really competitors. It's really a really good working relationships. And also, you want your customer to look at you being very resourceful. It's like if you have a customer who approach you, let's say the CPA industry, and that they are at the retirement age, and they want to set up the trust and the estate and doing the estate tax and estate planning. And unfortunately, it's not an area of focus in my firm. My firm is more focused in about growing the companies, building the infrastructure. So what do? I'm gonna go and ask and knowing what other good CPA firm out there who have specialized in estate in trust. That's where I'm would pursuing down that road. So that is why you want to turn what are your strength, and then what are your competitors' strength. So you want to turn their strength into your strength, because the more people that you know and the expert in the industry, that's going to lead you become the reputation, your reputation. You are the connector. What are the size of your competitors? Now, this question should have been asked at the very beginning. Who are your competitors? So sometimes your competitor is not really that you think who they are, that are your competitors. How do you measure their size and make them relevant to your business? This is the key. How do your competitors set their pricings, and what values are they providing? What do your competitor avoid in doing? If so, can you do it? That's gonna what set you apart from your competitors. Now, good luck on this process. And the goal for me to help you walking through all of these questions, and you may come up with even more questions, it's not about to be compete with your competitors. It's really to be ahead of your competitors. If you can be a complement to your competitors, and it's a blend level field that is everybody, the common strength is servicing the common customers. So good luck with the answers. And this is also the conclusions of the module 2 is going from passion to profit and really defining who are the customers. So are you get ready to get into more the nut and the bolt of really talking about revenue and profit? The fun part. Let us begin. Thank you, and I'll see you again in the next module.